is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Hi guys, so I'm just adding this at the beginning of the video you're about to watch, which is the unboxing of the Craftiosity. This is the notebook that was left out of the box. I noticed after I filmed that when I started the project that I actually didn't have the notebook and I had to wait for them to send it. They were very these things happen, things get left out, you know how it goes, you know, busy life and everything. So this is the notebook that you won't get to see in the unboxing, but this is what would have been in the box, and this is what we are building the project around. So I just wanted to include this so you did get to see what would have come in the box, and I'm sure I'm the only one that had it missed out. It's just something that happens, it's not anything of the problem. They sent it through nicely for me. Now I did film this when I got the box. I filmed the unboxing as soon as I got it, but because Royal Mail are a little slow at the moment, obviously with the pandemic, it's taken a little while for this to get to me. So it's now the 2nd of February, so January's box will be uploaded late, but it did arrive on time. I think it was around the 20th of January it arrived, I can't quite remember. So it has been here for a while and I've actually been working on the project, so you will see that with a time-lapse video of that in about a week after this comes out. So enjoy the rest of the unboxing and I will see you all soon. Take care. Hi guys, so we're going to do January's unboxing kit. It's very full. I've actually opened it up not to look through and go through, but there was 2 postcards that had fallen out, so I've or either that or they hadn't been put in, so I've slipped them in as well. So the tissue paper has been opened, but only for me to lay them on top and then close back up. So this will be the first time seeing it. I have paid for this box myself and all my opinions are my own. I'm not associated with them. Only the box on the last video is one they sent me. Everything else I do pay for myself. But I still do have the code that they've gave me, so if you want your own box then you can use the code SJACG2020 and that will give you 20% off your first box, which is not bad I don't think. So let's open it up and have a look, shall we? Oops, we've got a lot of things that says here contains sharp edges. And so you can see I've literally just ripped that open to put the postcards in, but I haven't actually looked, so we get to see together, but it's very full. So these are the 2 that were outside the box I put inside, 3 rather, which are quite pretty. These are just little postcards, but aren't they pretty? I have no idea what I'm going to do with all these postcards, but they're so pretty. There's just, I might make a wall with them or something. So this is the Needlepoint Journal project, and then that's where we've got information for doing it. This shows what we're making and how we're going to do it. I'll probably blur this out so that you can't actually see it. So that's another thing. This is our little welcome card as usual. Isn't it pretty? Okay, so included in your kit: parchment coloured yarn, golden yellow yarn, needlepoint canvas, embroidery needle and notebook. And we'll also need a pair of scissors, and then it's just got all the instructions. This is about creativity and things. There's a little code there for £5 off your first box. Okay, so we've got Stylecraft Aran weight. Now I love Stylecraft yarn. I do use a lot of Stylecraft yarn, so that I'm really happy they chose Stylecraft because I do love to use it. I use this on a lot of my toys because it is part of the safety requirements to have certificates, and they provide it. So I do love to use Stylecraft. For those who haven't, it is 100% premium acrylic. And you get quite a lot on this. I mean, 196 metres, 214 yards. So I wonder how much we're going to use, because we also have another one. And then they're both hour in weight. So this one is shade parchment 1218, and then this one was shade gold 1709. And then we have two of these. And this is what we're going to sew into. I hope this isn't messing with your eyes too much. It says here it's 7 HPI plastic canvas. Now I did get an email from them informing us that unfortunately the wrong size canvas was also sent out for some people, and we needed alternative instructions, which they've emailed. It wasn't their fault, it's just something that happens. I can't remember. Let me have a quick look to check if this is the right one or the wrong one. Yeah, so this is the right one. This 7 HPI, I'd assume is the right one. 7 holes per inch. Some people got the 8 holes per inch, which needs different instructions, so I can follow the instructions that come in the box. But yeah, it's a minor change. It just means that certain parts of it will be different, so it's not the end of the world if you have the wrong one, though they are offering to fix that for you if needs be. So I think that's pretty good. So let's see if we can roll this back up into the box. I'm never very good at getting things back in the box after I get them out, so I don't know if we will, but we can give it a go. We might be able to do it. I might actually manage it. Look at that. Not quite, they don't meet. But it was close, wasn't it? So I'm really looking forward to that. I will do this on camera so you guys can see it being done, but they do provide tutorials for doing this. I won't be teaching to do this. I'll do a time-lapse version of me making it, just so you can see the start to the finish and that. But I'm really looking forward to it. I've never done this type of thing. I made a notebook cover in case with this sort of thing, so it's going to be really interesting to do. Do check down in the description for the code. I will give you a link to their website and the code for 20% off your first box if you so wish. I don't earn money from it or anything. It's just purely that they gave me a code for my viewers, so if they want to try out the box and save a little money themselves, they can. So the code will be in the bottom, and if I remember, I'll put it up at the top of this video throughout the video so you can see as well, but I may not remember. We all know what I'm like. But I'm really looking forward to doing this, and I hope you'll check back for the video for when it's finished. Do check my Instagram. I will put pictures up and sneak peeks of when I'm working on it and what it looks like when it's finished. That is Alicorn Gifts over there. My Sonia Jones Crafts and my Alicorn Gifts are all in one on my Instagram, so just if you search you should find me easily. But otherwise I will see you all soon. You take care. Bye.